people charged in the murder of Crystal Rogers in Bardstown will have their trials moved out of Nelson County. This is Wave News at 6. I'm Myra Ansari.
I'm John Bull. Brooks Houck is charged with murder. The father-son combination of Stephen and Joseph Lawson are charged with complicity to murder. In court today, we heard more about that change of venue. Wave News reporter Sean Bowdy also explains why one of the Lawsons expects to have his case thrown out altogether.
It should come as no surprise the three defendants want their case moved out of Bardstown. It's been the most talked about, most high-profile case in Nelson County since Rogers went missing in 2015. To this day, her friends and family are hurting.
They want it over today, but it's got to be heartbreaking for them to get their hopes up that they go do something today, and it never shows up.
Family friend Willie Downs says Rogers' family will be there no matter what, but even the special prosecutor Shane Young agrees they need a new venue. Appearing virtually in court Thursday was Joseph Lawson, accused by his own father of driving Rogers' car away after her murder. In the courtroom was Brooks Houck and Steve Lawson, whose defense team says just happened to pick up his son that night when Rogers' car got a flat tire. His attorney, Ted Lavitt, is arguing the elder Lawson was promised immunity as long as he told the truth. Now he wants prosecution to live up to that and throw out the case against him.
At no time was my man never promised immunity. At all times he was promised immunity, in my presence and outside of my presence, before I got involved and after I got involved.
The idea of immunity isn't one sitting well with Willie Downs.
Thanks, bull.
Ted Lavitt says investigators have tried to pull info from his client that doesn't exist.
They hollered at him, they yelled at him, they screamed at him, they spit in his face. I watched it on video, but he cooperated. He said, "This is the truth. This is all I know. I can't say what you're wanting me to say."
New prospective venues for the trial or trials will be discussed at a future court date, as will the immunity for Steve Lawson, as well as the Commonwealth's motion to consolidate all of these trials into one. In Bardstown, Sean Bowdy, Wave News.